Alright, went to church today. Went and had our seafood fix at Charlotte Plumbers. Charlotte Plumbers has been here since we were kids. Before that, we love their seafood, and it's a great place down here in Fulton Harbor. Now we're going to go walk around the harbor and see what we can find. And then later, we're going to try out a new drone we got, so that'll be fun. What a beautiful day. We're here at Fulton Harbor. 77 degrees, just a light breeze. Looks like to me that the shrimpers are changing their boat out from doing oyster. It looks like they're pulling the oyster dredges off and maybe setting up for shrimp. So I'm not 100% sure, but that's what it looks like. This is the view out the back of Charlotte Plumbers, and that little brown pelican there, he's been there just hanging out in the same spot. So he's enjoying the weather too. All right, we're gonna take a stroll out on the Fulton Fishing Pier. See what's going on. Looks like it, no pets allowed. $5 per pole, 4 poles per person. There's our seagull, the laughing gull. If you've ever heard them make a bunch of noise, it sounds like they're laughing. Nice view of Aransas Bay. Here, couldn't ask for a better day. Alright, so if you ever come to Rockport and Aransas Bay area, you've probably seen these type of jellyfish. Now we call those cabbage heads. They actually won't sting you. My dad was a shrimper, and you could pick them up and just toss them. I've never had a issue with any one of them stinging me. I've been in the water with them too, and so they won't harm you. What is that? That's a huge cabbage head. Look at that. Wow. That's probably the biggest one I've ever seen. You know, when Dad was a shrimper, they used to get caught up in the shrimp nets really bad, and they'd fill your net up. So they made these things where it's like they use them for getting the turtles out. It's called a turtle chute. But it worked really good for getting these cabbage heads where they didn't fill up your net. Now that's a jellyfish with tentacles. You don't want to mess with that one. You get those around your arm or your leg, and you talk about sting. Those are the mean ones. Camera. Yeah, I don't know if you can see the little bitty, they shape like a jellyfish. Those definitely don't bother you. If you catch one, you can actually put your finger up inside, but they're called phosphorus, and they'll actually glow in the dark. You can see the little fish down there eating on the algae on the pole there. Look, there's a little bit bigger one. They're just feeding away. I don't know what those birds there are called. They're definitely not a duck. They don't have a bill, they have a beak, but they spend all their time diving down and getting fish. So we're thinking that was a combrant. Alright, we made it to the end of the Fulton Fishing Pier. If you look, you can see across the bay. First thing you see is that barge there. That's the Intercoastal Waterway. That's where the barges go up and down the coast of Texas. And you see that island on the other side there? That's San Jose Island. It's approximately 7 miles across the bay. Alright, there's the town of Fulton, looking at it from the bay. All the way out. There's Kill Acre distance. Beautiful, beautiful day.